So angithi siyazama ukubalansana completely. Now, let's assist each other there quickly. Bakhona abantu abazi i-milling ne-featuring tena nani la. Do we have? Do we have? Iman, akhuluma umuntu oyi-1 unless Mamelani bafowethu asizwaneni. Ukhona umuntu owazi i-featuring tena ne-milling ne-cutting la. Okay, woza mfowethu. Ubani omunye? Woza. Woza. Iskill lesikhuluma ngaso angithi. Iskill lesikhuluma ngaso. Ciao. We don't want uMontanas no Carlos. City siletha abantu and people they are lying. We don't want to be in that predicament, guys. You can't come here towards the fetal check. Must you are fetal They don't have time for that. Bafuni production abantu. So, jobani la niyayazi fetal intent. Niyayazi milling. Niyayazi wonke leta abadade ngayo. Niyayazi. Okay. Now what we'll do here, guys, we'll do this. We'll take their names and Fudua. Let's come up with 5 of them. Then bese siza kule 2 yabantu besifazane. We'll never leave Imbokodo outside. Abantu besifazane as laborers. We need only 2. I think Carlos, let's make it 3, man. Let's make it 3. 3 laborers.
3 females.
Let's make it 3, guys. Nezo siyayipusha le. I said 2, my senza 3. 3 ama laborers. Nakhona will do the same. Sinama box process ihamba kanjalo, but kulaba ngoba they've got skill. Kuzothathwa amagama kweziphepha bafake ephepheni sifuduwe ngoba you are over 5 here. So out of nina njoba new 7 or 8 you need 5.
Okay, asibambeni kuhluka.
Yeah. Yes, yande bafethu. Abantu bhalisa amagama sizoyifuduwa. Then siza kulaba ke ibox ulo makasali. Wena ibu process. Se process ani wena ke sidila nalaba ababafunayo ama labor out 3 abantu besifazane women ne. So we'll do the same fuduwa again 3 women. Yeah. Naleli siyasebenza naleli. No. 2 la. 2. 2 la 1 lapha ngithi lapha made in 5. 2 la.
Nomfundo Khumalo.
Yimla.
What are you?
It was a day-to-day show. Something was true.
Dion, open him.
Siyamfuna apartment color siyamfuna.
Dion, open him.
Hayi isilisa indo. Isilisa hayi. No, not isilisa sifuna umama. Lisa.
Patience Duma
was assist. Was. Right, vala la. Oh, iphepha manje wasifuna. Siyabonga ngobese. Out. Sandisiwe Koboka. Again. Sandisiwe Koboka.
Phakamisa isandla mawukhona.
Phakamisa isandla mawukhona.
Hayi umfana.
Siyethemika.
Hayi umfana lo.
Siyethemika umfana.
Siyethemba.
Try ayinagama nasibongo.
Noma izigama.
Kwa iya kikiki. Hayi lana.
Kwa iya kikiki. Right. Mamelani ke nina no 3 ne. Shonani la phaya. Right, asizwaneni ke comrade. We are continuing, angithi. Sebafikile lapha ngithi. We are going back there. But here now, we
Usuphelele
want to say thank you very much. Carlos, Tony Montana. You test them. If then you find that they are not
Somaleza mshathi. Somaleza mshathi. Somaleza mshathi. Somaleza mshathi.
Hambo qali queue, the rest will follow you. Therefore izolandelwa.
Now, okay.
Hamba malapha abantu. Bese laba bantu serious.
Sanile Timba.
Sandile Timba.
Sanile Timba.
Vele bangapha kithi laba right? Fudu wamfethu ngathi ufudu. Yeah. Ungathi uthatha nje phezulu. Yeah.
Forklift le ifake phephi bhaki.
Forklift. Yeah, forklift to one side.
Siphi isivelo sala?
Nasi namhlanje sinababa.
Madoda ndile nkumanda.
Nangiya elayini. 3 shota
3 ne?
2.
Shota ngakhi?
2.
Debele.
Siphelele. Siphelele bantu.
Phelele nomeva.
Pelele
Phelele
nomeva.
nomeva.
Shota 1.
Elokugcina ne? Nali lawo.
Usitheke bashe. Sitheke bashe.
Aphelele.
Yena elayinini sithe.
Hambani ke bafowethu, hambani ke.
Asambeni ke
Now, you get in here, from here, that side, there's no condo. Condo is outside. You go here, you think of your family, you think of your child, your son, your daughter. You go and work to survive. You don't go there and bring politics. There's no politics here. The politics is here, outside. You can do your politics now. All the rules of the company, Tina, we are not part of it. They will give their rules. What time is the lunch? What time is the tea time? And the rates and all that. And the knock-off time. But obviously, we come in when it comes to our rates, we don't want people to be exploited. Where you underpay them and all that. So on that one, then maybe we can come. But we want the transparency, people. You go and make Umkhonto Wesizwe shine here.
Yes.
So that Carlos and Montanas must say, you know what? Members of Umkhonto Wesizwe, they can work. We want to take this mentality of saying South Africans are lazy. We are not lazy. Are we clear? Yeah. So go and make us proud. Carlos, thank you so much. Tomorrow they will come, obviously, for checking. But on check about it. Out. 2. Tomorrow these 2. That's it, yeah. 2. Okay, then all one can you take 3 once Friday? Yeah. So 2 will come tomorrow. Where's the lady? 1. Upamunya. No, it's okay. Where's the other ladies? Where's the other ladies? So on Monday, Nina no 3 to come.
Monday, 7 o'clock.
Please make
company.
Nothing that fail to please make us proud. Because we are closing other people's opportunity.
And respect.